Pasko na guys. Ito na yung araw ng Pasko. Okay, so nakaligo na tayo. Ayan, naligo na ako yung hair ko. Hindi ko naman masyadong sinukulay. Kasi ang hair natin pagka basa ay fragile. Kaya hindi ko muna sinusuklay. Ginaganyan-ganyan ko lang ng daliri. So sinuklay ko lang itong ibabaw na to ng konti. Pero hindi ko din diretso sa dulo. Yan. Pero hair conditioner naman ako. Kanya lang hindi ko talaga siya sinusuklay ng bongga pag basa pa. So mamaya na lang patuyuin muna natin. At lalabas muna tayo sa labas. Kakain tayo ng breakfast. So then, I'm going to show you also kung paano nila sineselebrate dito on Christmas. So mamaya yan, abangan ninyo guys.
Toolkit. Couldn't wrap it.
You can see some cardboard.
Excited. Special to Alex, wishing you a very consolation. This special present will help you on your way now that you are a bit high sensitive, that you are a bit high sensitive. Knowing that you will be asking very freely against love.
Can you read it?
Oh, I don't know what it is. What is that? Oh,
It's a word colouring in book. Yes, that's a colouring in book. Aiden? Colouring in book. Did you say it's a colouring in book? What is it? A what book? What is it? What's a map book? Oh, bullshit. Yeah. Wow! Donna, white walnut cake. Linda, white walnut cake.
Oh wow!
I want to break my ankle.
Read yours out again, Noah. Your feet aren't that big, are they? They are. No, what is it over there? What does yours say, Noah?
Threw it away. You already had a skateboard.
Yeah, but that one was super trash.
Why? I took it down and got it fixed.
It's like 20 years old.
When I got fixed. One I took down and got fixed from the
Well,
skate.
that was a skater. That was a scooter.
Oh, it was a scooter, was it?
Yeah. skateboard and one without any.
Oh. Look at the cat. Look at the cat's bloody all over the job.
Yeah.
Shit.
Mommy, there's paper stuff.
I have this.
There's paper stuff here. Can you get the paper stuff out of
Like pattern.
Wow, they're pretty. Well, you can still get them. Hold your sack up.
Hold yourself up before they get all open. No,
Over by the tree, by the tree, by the tree. Oh. Oh. Hang on, I can't see Anna. Can't see Anna. Behind. Name on the front of the sack. Called Anna Cabana.
Go for it.
I got something that I really wanted.
roller skate.
Wow, what colour's your chair?
Another thing that I needed is so bad. I know.
Oh wow! Look at it all.
I usually call the blonde head.
Show your teeth. What you got left?
You read it. Top there on the left.
Jenny.
Jenny.
Oh, you got a broomstick.
Oh!
Oh. I thought it was a broomstick.
No.
The fit.
It's like for a hike.
Oh, what?
You go on a hike.
What's that for? Whacking Noah in the
Now we
head?
got taste dispenser.
Now he's got a helmet, you can whack him in the head with it.
Paddleboard. Like kayaking.
Wow. All you need now is a kayak.
That's pretty.
Oh, nice!
I can put them.
Wait, what?
Hey! Dickhead.
They're a little bit too big.
Bloody cats everywhere. All over the place. They're doing shit.
Yeah, I can do that.
The inside box.
Ah!
Oh, that goes together.
Isn't it great?
That's pretty colour.
Mommy, can you
Careful.
this one is like this one and get stuff
You have to be careful where you roller skate now because if you go down a hill you won't be able to stop.
Oh, careful.
Not that way, the other way. Away from you.
I wanted
I'll do that later, I think.
No, come here. You wanted me to help you? It's a nice bag.
I know it's treasure.
Wow, cute, Anna! Yeah! Short or top?
This is a little bag.
Noah,
Scissors.
you gotta put all of that stuff in the box. You got the knife there, won't you use it?
Wow.
He's getting it off, don't worry, he's ripped it.
Wow.
Jesus, Cookie boy, you'll be going about 100 miles an hour, and now you break your arm and leg and your nose. Skater boy.
I don't know where to take it from.
Well, I can tell you, Elizabeth